Hi everyone, welcome back to ASMO Tax Pro. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and today we're talking about sales taxes in Canada. Something that touches everyone, whether you're shopping or running a business. We're going to break this down so it's easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know how sales taxes work, what the rates are, and what you need to do if you're a business owner. Let's dive in. First, what are sales taxes? Sales taxes are added to the price of most goods and services in Canada. They're collected by the businesses at the point of sale and sent to the government. Now, there are three main types of sales taxes. First, GST, the goods and services tax, a federal tax charged everywhere in Canada. Second, PST, the provincial sales tax, which is charged in some provinces. And third, HST, the harmonized sales tax, which combines GST and PST in some provinces. Let's look at how sales taxes work across the country. 1. Provinces with GST only: Alberta, Northwest Territories, Nunavut and Yukon only charge the 5% federal GST. No provincial taxes here. So, shoppers in these areas pay less taxes overall. Provinces with HST: Ontario, HST is 13%. Newfoundland and Labrador, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, and Prince Edward Island, HST is 15%. HST simplifies things for businesses because it combines the federal GST and the provincial tax into one. Third, provinces with GST and PST separately. British Columbia, GST is 5% and PST is 7%, making the total 12%. Saskatchewan, GST is 5% and PST is 6%, so 11% total. Manitoba, GST is 5% and PST is 7%, so 12% total. In these provinces, businesses have to register for both taxes and file them separately. Fourth, Quebec sales tax or QST. In Quebec, the provincial sales tax is called QST, set at 9.975%. Combined with the 5% GST, the total tax rate is about 14.975%. Quebec has its own rules and tax agency, so businesses here need to register with Revenue Quebec. Now, not everything is subjected to sales taxes. There are tax-exempt items like basic groceries, for example, milk, bread, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Certain prescription drugs and medical devices. Most healthcare, educational, and childcare services. There are also zero-rated items, which are taxed at 0%. The key difference? Zero-rated items let businesses claim input tax credits, while tax-exempt items don't. What about businesses? If you're running a business, here's what you need to know. Registration requirements. You must register if your business earns over $30,000 in gross revenue annually. This is known as the small supplier threshold. If you're under $30,000, you don't have to register, but you can if you want to claim input tax credits. Filing and remitting taxes. Registered businesses must file regular GST, HST returns, usually quarterly or annually, depending on their revenue. This is really important. If you haven't collected any GST, HST, or claimed any input tax credits, you still require to file a Nil Return. Not filing can lead to penalties even if you don't owe anything. Input tax credits. Businesses can recover the GST, HST paid on expenses related to their operations. For example, if you buy office supplies or equipment, you can claim the GST, HST back when you file your tax return. Let's go a few common questions about the sales taxes in Canada. What happens if I don't register for GST, HST when I'm supposed to? You could face penalties and interest on unremitted taxes. It's important to stay compliant to avoid these headaches. How do I register for GST, HST or PST? You can register through the Canada Revenue Agency for GST, HST. For provinces with separate PST, like BC or Saskatchewan, you need to register with their provincial tax offices. Can I charge sales tax on exempt or zero-rated items? No, you cannot. Make sure you know which items are taxable and which aren't, so you're charging customers correctly. Sales taxes might seem complicated, but they don't have to be. Whether you're a business owner or just curious consumer, understanding the basics will help you stay on top of things. If you're a business owner and need help registering, filing, or understanding how sales taxes work, feel free to reach out to us at ASMO Tax Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips and hints. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching ASMO Tax Pro. See you in the next video.